Introducing the 7-quart Air Fryer and Dehydrator Max XL. This GoWISE USA Air Fryer and Dehydrator features a new, slick, square design, making for an even better fit on your kitchen countertop. The half stainless steel or copper colors are modern enough to never feel the need to hide it in a cabinet and keep it out all year long. Featuring a large touchscreen control panel with an ergonomic design, making it easier to start cooking with the touch of a button. Air fry, roast, broil, bake, grill, dehydrate, and even keep warm and preheat. Cook a delicious dinner with little to no oil, quickly and healthy for the whole family. Use its 3 stackable racks to prepare more servings of not only dehydrated foods, but any foods that you are cooking in excess. Utilize the newest features, the alarm button, to remind you to shake or flip your ingredients for best results, and the long-awaited mute function, allowing you to turn off the sounds of button pressing. Easy cooking is followed by easy cleanup with its removable pan and crisper tray coated with PFOA-free non-stick material. Don't know where to start? This air fryer comes with a recipe book with 100 recipes tested right in our GoWISE USA kitchen to get you started. GoWISE USA 7-quart Air Fryer Dehydrator Max XL. What will you make? And coming soon, the GoWISE USA 7-quart Air Fryer Dehydrator Matte Steel XL.